Okay, okay, guys. Yeah, I've just download the mt4, and remember, where is it? Yeah, here is it. And remember, guys, whenever you wanna practice, use a demo account instead of a live account. Never practice on a live account, or else you'll blow your money, and then you're going to start blaming us. But then, anyways, to start kick it, yeah, this is how your codes, your currencies. There's going up and down. It's called fluctuation. Ne? And here, more, it's a story about that. This is your chart. The chart that I've opened, it's Australian dollar USD. Time frame, it's day one. Can you see the D1 up there? Now, if for instance you want to change your time frame, you just press the middle of your screen or anywhere on your screen, but in the middle of the chart. Maybe put on H4, that's 4 hour, H1, M30, that's 30 minutes. That's a time frame. Soon we'll explain what's the difference between the time frames. Ne? And this is your chart. If you can just like zoom in your chart, then you can see the actual candlesticks of yours. Now the candlesticks going down, it's a bearish movement. It's a sell, and the candlestick that are going up, it's a buy. But then you'll have to analyze so you know where the market is going. Anyways, and here, this is where your, remember, it's a demo account. This is where you, when you place a trade with this chart, this is your account where you will see whether you're making money or you're losing money. This is balance. That's a demo account. It's not the real money. It's your balance. Say, for instance, you've deposited $200 into your account. It will appear there. The trade that you will place, it will appear there. Like just like the Euro USD by 0.02, it will be like that. This, it's your history. Sort of like your bank account. Maybe like you download or you go to the bank or ATM and request for a statement, 3 months back statement. This will show you whether you were placing trades or not, and how well were you doing through that week, month, or year. Now going back to your chart. Now, if say for instance me or Kingsley send you a signal, okay, please buy GBP USD. You'll go to this currency, this icon here, play like this, place it like that. Check for GBP USD. Yes, GBP USD. Sorry, GBP USD. And I hope I'm not fast. GBP USD. We say buy GBP USD. You'll go to this icon, this positive plus icon. Press it. Then we'll tell you put a lot size. Sorry about that. Lot size, yeah, maybe 0.2, 0.02, 0.04, 0.05, and we'll explain that later. You can just increase it like this, or I'll just put a 0.02 for now, and we say buy GBP USD, then you'll buy. Done. Then it will take you strictly to your account, show you your balance, and show you everything. Now GBP USD buy 0.02, it's on a minus. Most of the time, or actually every time we place a trade, it will always start on a minus. Then if the signal is doing great, it will take you to a positive. So in this case, as you can see up there, the blue side, it's saying 1.32, it's counting up and down. Let me just say 1.30 dollars. That's around maybe 20 rand and everything, stuff like that. Anyways, let's just show you how much you are making so far. You go back to your chart. Say, for instance, you want to place another trade, USD JPY. What you do again is just press there, USD JPY. This is your USD JPY. What's the time frame? Yo, I hope it's not you guys. What's the time frame? It's H1, 1 hour. Remember, you can always change your time frame like this. Just press the middle of your screen, H4, day one. Just do that. It's a long-term trade. Once you go from day one upwards, just know you are actually placing, you are analyzing long-term, analyzing like daily, weekly, stuff like that, monthly. Could happen if you want to. Now, this is USD JPY. You want to place a sell on USD JPY. You just go to this positive icon again and press sell. That's it. That's how you place a trade. Now, another thing, if you want to use an indicator, but then I feel like maybe we should like teach you about indicators before we get into it. Let me just show you how to put an indicator. One of the most well-used indicator, it's the relative strength index. It's the RSI. You press this F icon, you see it. Most of you guys, if you ever did mathematics, you'll know what this icon is. But then Forex has nothing to do with mathematics, guys. So you press this icon, main chart, F plus. You look for the RSI. Where's the RSI? Here's the RSI. You press this RSI. This is just the properties. You can change the color if you want to red. This is the thickness of the line that you want to be. Just apply to close, period 14. Just leave it like that. Then you press down. Here's your RSI. See? In the next few videos that I'll do, I'll teach you how to use this indicator to analyze the market. Most cases, as you can see, it's moving between 70 and 30. Usually when it's below 30, you'll know that it's oversold, and then if it's above 70, it's overbought. But then we'll teach you about indicators in the future days. So far, you can also remove your indicator, your RSI indicator. Just go there, look for the indicator window, hold it for like 2 seconds and delete. Go back to your chart. Here's it. Again, as you can see, when I press the currency icon, the US dollar currency icon, is to show you the currencies that you can open in each chart that you want to open. Australian dollar, CHF, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. What you can do again is, if, say for instance, we say please buy on USD ZAR. As you can see, there's no USD ZAR. What you do is you go to this icon, the mt4 icon, and then you go to codes. After codes, you go to the positive icon, press on Forex. Here's all the currencies that you have. And remember, if there is no currency pair appearing here, it means the broker that you guys are using doesn't have that currency pair. Now what you do is just press them all. Press them all, then in this way, go back to your chart, press the US dollar currency. Then it will show all the currencies that you've added here. And that's it. Thank you.